The king sneezed during dinner and everyone laughed, but then the queen started coughing. By the next morning, half the palace staff were bedridden with fever. The prince tried to flee to the countryside, but he collapsed on his horse halfway there. One by one, the royal people stopped breathing in their beds. The doctors bled them, but that just made it worse. Within 2 weeks, every single member of the royal family was dead. The sneeze had spread a plague through the castle, and the throne sat empty for the first time in 400 years.